everything that is quite necessary to you, and all that is coming under Dravinam. And then also not only prosperity for us, but also for the bipeds and the quadruped. So these are the two janmas most remarkable. So for them, you make a prayer on behalf of them also to give them the prosperity, and please bestow in us ararapaha sham dadhatana. You please bestow on me that happiness which is not having a problem. See, problem tagged blessings are useless. You can't enjoy. There is a beautiful, fragrant sandalwood tree, but there are serpents around it.
You cannot enjoy.
So sandalwood tree surrounded by serpents, because sandalwood tree will have a lot of fragrance. Where there is a fragrance and money, there will be serpents. So that's why that is no use. We are asking. So do you remember where we have stopped in the Aruna Prashna last class?
Sir, I mean, fifth Anuvaka, halfway we went, I think, so fifth. Jalpitam Vyavadihita Sapte Endriyani. I think Jalpitam, I'm not sure, sir. I also didn't note down.
So we have completed the analysis on time, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Now, after time, we got, now anyway, we start from here.
Anubhischa Mahadbhischa Samarudah Pradrushyate Samvatsara Pratyakshena Pataro Vikleda Pingaha. We went little further, sir, I think. Pataro Vikleda Pingaha Etad Varuna Lakshanam.
Yeah. No, we are just going from this. There are 3-2, that is, from here we do Konu Maria Amititaha. That is what we can start after here. Konu Maria Amititaha.
Okay. Seventh. Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir. Okay.
Next time onwards, we'll mark it. Anyway, do it from this point. The previous one. Please repeat. Sakam Janagum.
Sakam Janagam.
2 times.
Sakam Janagam.
Saptatha Mahure Kajam.
Saptatha Mahure Kajam. Saptatha Mahure Kajam.
Shadudyama Rushayo Devajayiti.
Shadudyama Rushayo Devaja iti. Shadudyama
Mishtani Vihitani.
Tesha Mishtani Vihitani. Tesha Mishtani Vihitani.
Dhamashaha.
Dhamashaha. Dhamashaha.
Sthatre Rejante.
Sthatre Rejante. Sthatre Rejante.
Vikrutani Rupashaha.
Vikrutani Rupashaha. Vikrutani Rupashaha.
So the 6 seasons are created from the 6 rays of the sun. there is seventh ray, and that has gone up the sky, and from there the seasons have come into that. See, the Brahmadeva, Brahma has created 6 seasons. From the inborn 6, somebody has come, you have to permit him, or
Yes, sir.
you have to say
yes,
yes.
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. I think Mr. Yamanuru only have to permit. You can, sir. I'm not able to see.
Gallery.
Okay.
Okay.
Nandan has come and you send message. Somebody is on. Permit
Yes,
him.
sir. I will send a message to Mr.
So
Yamanuru,
here
sir.
the word is Sakam Janagum Devajaha. The word by together born rays, but all the rays of the sun are taken as the seers. They are, all the rays of the sun are as bright as the seers. Therefore, Sakam Janagum, meaning together born rays, the rishis are, they are all bright rishis. Then Sa Prathama Ahuhu Ekajam. So they are declared to be the foremost ones coming from the sun. And how are they? They are quite Rushayaha, Shadudyamaha Rushayaha. The rays of the sun that have come out, they are all Prathama, they are all Shadudyamaha Rushayaha. Udyama is a rays, so there are 6 rays, and they are all as bright as the rishis. And all of them, they are called Devajaha. They are all born out of, they are all the rays coming out of the sun. Deva Ja, Ja is birth. So Devajaha, Kiranaha. So and also Udyamaha. Udyama is active. So Udyamaha Shatu. The activated region, they all reach the heaven. And that is the dwelling place for the rays that are there in the heaven. And how do they Ishtani Dhamasaha Vihitani Brahmana. See, Brahma has created the seasons, which are very much Ishtani, which are very much liked. Therefore, the rays of sun, 6 rays of the sun, which have come out from the sun, they have been very much bright and shining like the rishis. And the rays are full of knowledge, full of light, full of brilliance. Passcode. I have given him passcode.
Yes, I'm watching.
So, Jataha Kiranaha, Shat Udyamaha, Udyama, because this is Arna Prashna is a science text. It is not like any Rigveda or anything like this. Aranyaka text and absolutely prose, and therefore you have to spend some more time. So here, Devajaha means Deva is Surya Deva. From Surya Deva, these have come into vogue or created, and they are Udyamaha. They are all activated to go up to the region of the heaven, where they can have a resting place. Then the Brahmadeva, taking those rays of the sun, converted them into seasons. Tesham dham vihitani ishtani. So he has converted as Rutu. And so that is Statre rejante vikrutani rupashaha. Rupa is the form. Vikrutani, they are all nirmitani. And in different characteristics, the seasons go. Because the seasons have got separately individual characteristics. Cold, hot and all that. And again, Statre rejante, they are all shining forth in the heaven. And from there, they are having their influence upon the land. Therefore, this particular passage that the seasons are originally the 6 important rays of sun god, and they are foremost, and they have gone up to the Brahmaloka, and Brahma has converted the rays into seasons, which are very well liked upon the ground. And upon the ground or upon the earth, they are always shining with different forms, with different influences. Therefore, here in this passage, we have the explanation of the genesis of seasons, a part constituted within the framework of time. See, Samvatsara is the time. In the Samvatsara is again divided into Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha. You have seen that. Shukla Krishna Samvatsarasya. For the year, it is having, there is always Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha. Even for moon also Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha. Even for sun also Shukla Paksha. Though we don't see it specifically as Krishna and Shukla. You know, during summer months it is Shukla Paksha to sun. During the winter months is a Krishna is a Shukla and Krishna Paksha. There to say that he has gone through both this kind of phases in that. Now there is a one discussion comes up. Supposing there is some contingency, what should we do? And that is here. Om Kono Maria Amithitaha.
Kono
Maria Amithitaha. Kono Maria Amithitaha.
Sakha Sakhayamabravitu.
Sakha Sakhayamabravitu. Sakha Sakhayamabravitu.
Jahako Asmadishate.
Jahako Asmadishate. Jahako Asmadishate.
Yastityaja Sakhividagum.
Yastityaja Sakhividagam. Yastityaja Sakhavidagam. Sakhayam.
Sakha. Now, Ko Yastityaja Sakhividagum.
Yastityaja Sakhavidagam. Yastityaja Sakhavidagam.
Sakhividagum.
Sakhividagam. Sakhividagam.
Sakhayam Natasya.
Sakhayam Natasya. Sakhayam Natasya.
Vachyo Vachyapi Bhago Asti.
Vachapi Bhago Asti. Vachapi Bhago Asti.
So this is Sakha, is it? No, Sakhina, Sakhana, what is it? Sakho, Sakha, 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 Yamabravitu. Yeah, Sakha, Sakha, Yamabravitu. Ja.
Sakha Sakhayam Abravitu.
You didn't understand anything, is it not?
Yes, sir.
It is very hard for us to, unless
Ah,
you analyze and have the commentary or explanation, we can't.
very difficult.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
a problem. Crime and punishment also is there.
Uh-huh.
It's a sociological question also are taken into consideration, because Maria means man, mortals.
Oh.
Amititaha means between each other. Supposing if two friends are there, if one friend were to betray the other friend, what would be the punishment?
Uh-huh.
Amithitaha Maria, between two friends who are mortals, if any one of them troubles the other, the trouble giver should be driven away.
Mhm.
Something like this, something like the students who do a lot of disturbance to the class, they are sent out because we don't want to keep the disturbing fellows. Like that here also, in the when they are not devoted and focusing on the knowledge of sun, then they need not be present. Therefore, see, jahaka asmat ishate. So if there is a kind of betrayal or hurting, one, and again, yahati tyaja sakhi vidagum sakhayam natasya vachya vibhago asti. So, in case the friend not recognizing the other friend and behaves very bad, then he will immediately lose his admission in the class. See, tatya, satya, yaha tityaja. Tityaja is losing the admission.
Oh.
So a person who hurts others in the classroom, and that particular person who is a troublemonger, will lose admission or he will lose eligibility to learn Vedas. The Guru will send him out. And supposing that student stealthily tries to listen to the lesson, he will fail to understand that, because knowledge is always to be transmitted through a Guru, Guru Mukhataha. But when Guru is not and are not heard, then he will lose eligibility for knowledge. In case the friend not recognizing the other friend as his friend and behaves in a hurtful manner, he will lose eligibility to learn the Vedas. And even if, see, Vachyapi bhago asti, then if at all he is trying to stealthily learn the language, they don't want to face the classroom and class teacher, then it will not benefit him and the Veda knowledge fails to him. See, that was the subtlety, difficulty in those days Veda learning. Unlike today, these days, Veda is a secret knowledge. Unless you serve the master Guru for several days, you will not be admitted in the Pathshala, in the Gurukula. And actually, you know, we are given 120 years. We are supposed to spend 40 years to learn Rig Veda, 40 years to learn Yajurveda, and 40 years for learning Samaveda. Over 120 years done. Why you are given 120 years? Our Yajurveda tells you the calendar, how you should divide your life. You have to spend 40 for Rigveda, because so much. In spite of learning so many years, still Rigveda becomes incomplete.
Yes.
Secondly, so again it is said, the Soma Yaga is there to do Pratha Savana 40 years, Madhyanika Savana 40 years, Sayam Savana 40. That is the calendar of timetable are given by the God when we are given 120 years upon the earth. Because all the Navagraha Dashas are totally 120 years. Nobody can live beyond 120. So 120 years beyond ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Nobody can stay because ಏನು 40-50 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Correct.
100 years ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 100 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 3 hours 100 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬರೀತೀವ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಪರ್ಮುಟೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಟ್ ಶತಾಯುಷು ದೀರ್ಘಾಯುಷು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ you should have this 40 distributed.
Oh, that is Dirgash.
On the other hand, you are blessed to that kind of eligibility and strength in the body. Shataminnu sarado anti deva shatam jiva jivema sarada shatam. Therefore, one should be conducting himself so carefully that he will not lose the eligibility to learn Veda. It has exactly happened to Yajnavalkya. You know, Yajnavalkya was the Shishya of Vaishampayana. He was going on criticizing his Guru. And Guru came to know through the Shishya that the Yajnavalkya is criticizing adversely for you. He then became very angry and asked Yajnavalkya to give away whatever Yajurveda learning he had made from him. And Yajnavalkya also was a very powerful yogi. He did do as ordered by the teacher. Then that all that Yajurveda stuff held out, was vomited. And again, that Guru asked the other Sishyas to become titiri birds, something like doves, and eat all of that. So from then onwards, it has become a Taittiriya. Taittiriya, it is a Yatayama, they call it Yatayama tale. So there are so many legends why that kind of thing. So in those days, a student is supposed to have a wonderful behavior before the Guru and also attachment to that. So there is it's a tough, actually this passage is a very difficult text to understand. The two mortals must be friendly to each other, because mortals is the word put is Maria. He will die, the other fellow also dies. Nobody is guaranteed permanence. In fact, in Yaksha Prashnas, one of the questions that Yaksha asked Dharmaraja was, which is the most wonderful thing in the world? Atyascharya kim? Then the Dharmaraja's reply was, a living person crying over the dead person, thinking that he will be permanent upon the land. He only went away, but he will be permanent long time. At that time, when he is crying for the other dead, he will not remember the fate will be common to him also. That is the wonder of the wonders. So, like the Yaksha Prashna, there are about some questions are there. They are very much pointful. Like that, two mortal persons, they should be friendly. Supposing one person were to betray the other, they will lose eligibility to learn Veda and sit in the classroom. And so, this particular Aruna Prashna is a very important text where there is a lot of secular matter, something connected to social behavior. It is not only because sun is concerned with the earth, is it not? So yes, he is putting light upon the earth. Therefore, he has to also manipulate, moderate, and then handle the people upon the earth.
Yes.
Therefore, we'll try to say sundial, sun temple, and Konarka, Arka Kona, all these problems, all the scientific astronomical investigations and researches are going on. Therefore, in other words, when two students sit before a guru, they are called Guru Bandhus, Sishyas of same Guru, and so they are not supposed to betray each other. They should only focus on knowledge, but not on criticizing the Guru. Therefore, Vachyapi Bhag, Vachya, here Vachya in the Veda learning, because Vedas are taken to be Vak. In Ganapati Atharva Sirsha Upanishad, you get a statement, Chatvari Vakpadani. So there are Vakpada are only for Rukpada, Yajurveda, Samaveda Padas are there. It's, how it is like that? Aruna Prashna, ARUNPRASN, is it not Aruna Prashna?
No.
But he says that still it says wrong password. 79053567388, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So password Aruna Pras na last A ledandi.
Ye ledhu kada.
I think because it's only limit kada, so I think yeah.
So why is it not getting? It says still it says wrong password, sir.
Okay, so I can contact him. I don't know if he's who's trying to reach.
The Aruna Nandan is on the Skype now. I don't know his number. You want? No.
No, I can. Yeah, I can send the link.
Anyway, you try.
Hmm.
So Konu Mari, this particular passage, I think you understand, because slowly when we try to study, we get to know the meaning of each word, Babu.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This is not immediately comprehensible because the language is like that, the style is like that.
no.
And then, I am in the Aruna Prashna class, so I gave you the password. He will allow you. The host is also trying to catch you at the same number in the Aruna Prashna. There's no A.
Sorry, sir. Okay. Then I will log in.
Because I'm teaching the Aruna Prashna now. You can just log in.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Sure.
So now I will give you the meanings. Kaha, nu means indeed. Maria means mortal. Amititaha means between each other. Sakha and Sakhayam. Sakhayam is Divachana. Two is the friend speaks to his friend. Abravit. Then Ekaha Jahaka Asmad Ishate. So if any one of them is hurting, trouble giver, then he will be Katyatityaja Sakhividagum Sakhayam. So he will be deserted or driven away from the class. And not only he will be sent out from the class, but also he will lose the eligibility for learning the Vedas. Therefore, this is the important information about this. And if at all alakam, if at all he does so, he will be alakam rajayati. It will be not at all asatyam, he will be listening. And now we shall do the next one. Nahi praveda sukrutasya panthamiti.
Nahi praveda sukrutasya panthamiti. Nahi praveda sukrutasya panthamiti.
Ruturutuna nudyamanaha.
Ruturutuna nudyamanaha. Ruturutuna nudyamanaha.
Vinanadabhidhavaha.
Vinanadabhidhavaha. Vinanadabhidhavaha.
Shashtischa trigumshakavalgaha.
Shashtischa trigamshakavalgaha. Shashtischa trigamshakavalgaha.
Shukla Krishnau cha Shashtikau.
Shukla Krishnau cha Shashtikau. Shukla Krishnau cha
Shashtikau.
So here we mean Sukrutasya Pantham Nahi Praveda. A Vedadrohi who betrays the Guru cannot know the real pathway to righteous path of sacrifice. So Pantha is the pathway, righteous path of sacrifice is called Pantha. Here, iti is there. Iti is a quotation. It is not the original commitment by the Taittiriya Aranyaka seer, but he is bringing this kind of punishment drawn from the earlier Vedic texts. Therefore, the Rishi here tells you, Sukrutasya Pantham Nahi Praveda. That is the conclusion. Anybody who does that kind of lose the faith and started hurting the Guru and they will lose. That's exactly what happened to that Yagnavalkya, an example which we know now. And again, Rutururutunahanudhyamanaha. So the 6 seasons, what we talked, they will be continuously, successively present. One Rutu pushes the other Rutu forward. Rutuna, Tritiya Bhakti, Rutuhu, Prathama Bhakti. So each Rutu is being pushed by the other Rutu, and therefore there won't be any kind of much gap between Rutu. That kind of Rutu seasonal changes, you will very well see, more so in the Western countries probably, but in India, it takes time for us to realize, because our season is only 60 days. Here, 90 days. So 2 months. In the 2 months, we have got 2 Krishna Patshas and 2 Shukla Patshas. That is 4. And because of this kind of part, the circulation of the Rutu will be counted by their duration. So Shashtischa Trigumshaka Valga. That is, all the 60 days. 60 days will be 30 days Shukla, 30 days Krishna. Thereby, the seasonal length of time is only 2 months. And it is a cycle unending. The seasons don't stop. They keep on rotating, revolving, chain like one or the other. That's why it is called, that's why they are called Abhidhava, Rutuhu Rutuna Nujyamanaha. And moreover, this is Vinanada Abhidhavaha. Vinanada, that is, they will be showing out the influences. Nada, Vinanada. That is, they will be showing the influences of that on the atmosphere and the land. And they are Abhidhavaha means they are cycle in a rotatory way, unending way. So the Rutus will be coming up. And how many are there? Shashtihi Trigumsakaha Valgaha. Valga is beautiful, very much influencing. And they are all that has 60 months, 60 days, 2 months, 30 days separated. Therefore, the duration is only 30 days Krishna Paksha, 30 days Shukla. Therefore, with this Krishna Shuklas, the season changes. You see, we have Bharatavarsha and Grishma. What are the seasons? Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharat Rutu, Hima Rutu, Vasanta Rutu, and Shishira Rutu. Remember very easily, Shankaracharya has given us Shishira Vasanto Punarayataha Yadirayamin Sayam Prataha Shishira Vasanto Punarayataha Kalaha Gacchati Kridatyayuhu Tadabhinamun Satyashavayu Bhaja Govindam. So how much Shankaracharya helped? Because these days children don't know our Indian calendar, Indian year's name. They're all different. Here we see people, they love all Western movies, Western language and all that. If you put some
Yes.
Telugu movie, they don't want. They want to put up. I don't want to watch Telugu. I'm not Indian. I'm American. Children say like that. So
Yes.
how to repair them is a big problem. I'm American. I don't want Indian stuff.
Yes, yes.
So, they don't want Indian pappu, pura, pappu, pulsu, charu. They want all Mexican food, Italian
Mexican.
food. On your birthday, what do you want? I want Italian food. Like that. So this is what we want to know. That's why I'm mentioning Grishma, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hima Rutu, Vasanta and season. These 6 seasons. So not able to join. I don't know what is happening there with that Anandan, with the password and all that. Anyway, so Vasanta, now we start with the, I hope understood, Sukla Krishnau Shastikau. Shastikau is Shastikau. Shasti means 60. So Shastikau means 60 days. 60 days get divided into Shukla times, Krishna times.
Yeah.
And there are all the seasons are Valgaha, very beautiful,
Beautiful.
very influential.
Yes. Yes, Bhakuru.
Wrong password. Still not able to join, sir. It says wrong password. I don't know.
నేను ఇక్కడ ఈ మీటింగ్ జూమ్ మీటింగ్ చాట్ లో ఒక లింక్ పెట్టానండి. ఆ లింక్ అతని ఆ స్కైప్ లో పేస్ట్ చేసుకోగలరా మీరు? ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు రీచ్ హిమ్. సో
చాట్ లో పెట్టారా? I don't know how to go to chat. Let me see. Because he's very much చాట్ లో ఉంది. ఇదా?
ఆ లింక్ అక్కడ స్కైప్ లో పెట్టండి ఆయన.
కట్ టు పేస్ట్ ఐ కాంట్ డూ దిస్.
సరే పోనీ ఆయనకి నా నంబర్ చెప్పండి. 918926.
I better give his number to you, no?
Okay, that's also fine. Yeah.
That would be better for me.
Yeah. చెప్పండి.
But you can paste him.
Yeah. చెప్పండి.
అయ్యో నంబర్ ఇవ్వలేవాడు. ఒక నిమిషం. నీ నంబర్ ఏంట్రా బాబు?
మొబైల్ నంబరా సార్?
నీకు అదే మొబైల్ నంబరు
సార్
94 అదే వాట్సాప్ నంబరు. ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఆయన మీకు పేస్ట్ చేస్తాడు లింక్ నీ స్కైప్ కి.
సరే సరే.
9481
369653.
రిపీట్
369653.
ఓకే, నేను ట్రై చేస్తానండి. ఓకే,
9481 9481369653.
I'll do it. నేను చేస్తాను.
ఓకే. So this is the passage meaning, and next passage we'll read. So the seasonal discussion starts with the Vasanta season. And actually Vedas do not have much elaborate descriptions, just like in Mahakavyas. In Sanskrit Kavyas all seasons are having, but here the description of the seasons will be short, crisp and significant. That is the characteristic of Veda. Veda do not waste time. Our Veda mantras do not waste much time upon the description. In a sense that, for example, in Naishadham Kavya, Sriharsha spends around 6 to 8 slokas to describe the beauty of the richness of the hair of Damayanti. So in 8 slokas, the richness of the hair of that Damayanti described. You can imagine, I mean, similarly, Devi, even Saundarya Lahari, even Shankaracharya also talks much about the thick hair of Devi, and that Srimanta, that is dividing that white line over the head, dividing the hair into two, that also is having a metaphorical description. But all that grandeur is not there. Veda is dry. That is why it's called Prabhu Samhita. The kings are not attractive. The bosses are not attractive. Bosses are not attractive. Kings are not attractive. You don't want to see the king. If at all, only from distance. Duradeva namaha. Duradindale namaskara madbeku. Hatra hode kashta. Therefore, that is the Vedic dignity. Yes. Now repeat the next one. Saraga vastraihi.
Saraga vastraihi. Saraga vastraihi.
Vasanto vasubhissaha.
Vasanto vasubhissaha. Vasanto vasubhissaha.
Samvatsarasya savituhu.
Samvatsarasya savituhu. Samvatsarasya savituhu.
Praishakrut prathamasrutaha.
Praishakrut prathamasmrutaha. Praishakrut prathamasya smrutaha.
So this Vasanta season is bound by the order. The seasonal order is always fixed. You cannot have any disturbance or changing the order one after the other. So Praishakrut means bound by the order of the Samvatsara. The year has already made a permanent arrangement, like Rama making the permanent arrangement of the sky, the Zoom link. So that's what is called Praishakrut, bound by order by Samvatsara. And moreover, how will be the year? Saraga vastra. Raga is attraction. Color is attraction.
Yes.
So Vasanta season will be very attractive for all people. During that time only Madhumasa we call it. Vasanta Navaratrigalu. Avaga Ramotsavagalu. And ಗಿಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆನಂದವಾಗಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಗ್ಲಾಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So there will be, so you love that Vasanta, and you get beautiful mangoes also, you remember. Rasala Padlu vastundi. So, and sun also will be very comfortable for you. You go for picnic, all kinds of outside activity, outdoor activity, you will do it. That's why it is called Saraga Vastra. Vastra is cover, hue. So Vastra is the covering. The covering of that is Raga. And moreover, among all the seasons, this particular season is supposed to be Prathama Sprutaha. This is Prathamaha Sprutaha. Smruti means remembrance. It's a mind fixation. Smaranat Sukham. It is not simply physical puja that will count to God. How much you remember, how if you say 100 times Rama, what marks you will get? 10 or 3. The remaining 90 times Rama utterance will go elsewhere. But you should get 5 distinction marks. Rama, 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 something like Hanuman. So Hanuman Tarha, yen madbeku, Krutamastaka Anjalihi. You must have the Krutamastaka Yatra Yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam. Tatra Krutamastaka Anjalihi. Bashpavari Paripurna Lochanam Marutim. Namata Rakshasantakam. Rakshasa is a mind disturbance.
Oh, correct.
So we are ಬಾಯಿರತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಕಿವಿರತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೋಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ control your mind, control your mind. Manaha magi sanyasya. You give up. It's a very hard job. Anyway, here also Saraga vastraihi and Prathamaha Smrutaha. Prathamaha is foremost among all the 6 seasons. The best season of the year you enjoy because of the Vasanta. Why? Samvatsarasya savituhu. It is the season given impelled by the Savitru Devata, who is very decked with the robes of red attractive hue. And also it has got Jaradakshaha. Jaradakshaha means watery. The sun also will not be powerful during Madhumasa. Only he becomes more strong, heat, radiant when he goes to Krishma. See, April 15th to 14th to May 14th, he will be exalted. Before that, he will be just a galloping poor fellow. So that's why Ratha Saptami is there. After Ratha Saptami, he slowly gallops. Till that, chali. The people say that Shankuratriki begin ayyatuvanti chali, Shivaratriki vellipotundi. Sankuratri ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ. ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರುವಾಗಿರುವ ಚಳಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬೇಕು, 2 ರಾತ್ರಿಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಸಂಕುರಾತ್ರಿ, ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ and Shivaratri. So mother will be enjoying this. So these are the two that's why it is said Samvatsarasya Savituhu. This is the most well-liked year of the year for Surya Bhagavan. Because Surya could be hot at the same time cool and giving all that comfort for the people upon the land. Martyaha. The Martyas can enjoy the season. And again, Samvatsarasya. Now let us go to the first lines. There, Saragavastraihi Jaradakshaha. See, Jaradakshaha andre, I told you that the Vasanta season will have some dampness also in that. That is, the dampness means it will not be very hot. And again, it is supposed to be the foremost one. And it will be ropes of red attractive hue means the nature will be very fine. Then only you get the mango flowers, mango fruits, and mango unmatured fruits. Oh, so many people are active looking at the mango tree. Uppinkai hakkuntaralva. In they prepare in Karnataka, Telugu area, they will prepare 12 and more varieties of avagai.
Yes.
So this all happens only in the Vasanta season. And it has got the Jaradakshaha or Jaradaksha. Rakara, Lakara difference is there. Ralayo Rabhedaha. So Jaradaksha is Jaradaksha. That is, it is just Jaradaksiraha. It is very cool also. That is to say, this particular Vasanta season will be having these characteristics. One, Saraga Vastra. Colorful clothing.
Covering.
Colorful clothing symbolically. And Jaradakshaha, dampness, not very hot. Still, chali will be lurking during the Vasanta season. Chali hotagilla, idenu, summer bartha ideyalla anta fan hakkodtilla. So, Jaradakshaha, and not only that, Vasantaha, he is Vasubhihi Saha. Vasubhihi andre number of favorable gifts he will be giving. See, Vasu means house. Vasu means gift. The word Sanskrit word Vasu has number of meanings. And ಅದರಿಂದಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ವಾಸ್ತು. ವಾಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆ. ವಾಸ್ತು ಶಾಂತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ ಶಾಂತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಶಾಂತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಲೋಲವಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಕಲ್ಲೋಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ವಾಸ್ತು ಪುರುಷ ವಾಸ್ತೋಷ್ಪತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಜಾನೀಹಿ ಅಸ್ಮಾನ್ ಸ್ವಾವೇಶೋ ಅನಮೀವೋ ಭವಾನಃ ಅಂತ ವಾಸ್ತು ಪುರುಷ, ವಾಸ್ತು ಹೋಮ, ವಾಸ್ತು ಶಾಂತಿ, ವಾಸ್ತು ಪುರುಷ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ there you are declaring the house you are living in is not your house. So you declare, though I built it, it is you building and you living, it is your house. If we have got that kind of submission to Vastu Purusha, that's why you put to name to your blood Ishvara Vilas, Lakshmi Vilas, not your Vilas. So you don't put your name, you may put your name plate, but, but not the name to the house. That's why it is called as Vasubhihi Saha Vasantaha. So this is a short, brief description of the Vasanta season. where Savitru Devata. Savitru is the one name for Surya Bhagavan, where he is an impeller. Prasavita, Savita, that's what they say. Prasavita means he will be giving you more and more ideas, more and more luxurious things, and more decorations you will make. You will make large decorations and all that only during this winter, Vasanta season. Therefore, it is said, Samvatsarasya Savituhu Praishakrut Prathamaha Smrutaha. You must remember the meanings of the word. When I am explaining, they are clear to you. Afterwards, they disappear. I know, even to me also the same. Because these words are really Vedic words. And moreover, not one meaning is attributed to that. There are more meanings. So, pra-esha, praisha, praisha, krut. That is bound by the order. Praise actually sending. See, one sends to the other without break. That is why it is called praisha. Krut is done. So, one after another will come. And prathamaha means foremost. Smrutaha is recognized or reckoned. So, it is reckoned as the best season of the seasons. That's why in Asirvada they say, Shatam Vasantaha, Shatam Saradaha, Jivema Saradas Shatam. Understand? This is called Sarad season. Vasanta. Shatam Vasantaha. The Vasant seasons are like that. Now, next one we talk and then stop probably. Amunadayateti anyan.
Amunadayate tyanyan.
Amunadayate tanyan.
Amuguscha parirakshataha.
Amugascha parirakshataha. Amugascha parirakshataha.
Yeta vacha prayujyante.
Yeta vacha prayujyante. Yeta vacha prayujyante.
Yataitat drusyate.
Yatraitadupadrishyate. Yatraitadupradrishyate.
So let's understand. This is the season when so many marriages take place. That's why this is what the season where you have Kalyana Parampara. We get mangoes, the king of fruits, and they come in plenty. And this is a sign of best seasons delivered to mankind. There are a number of Mangala Karyas, festivities like marriage, Upanayanam, other samskaras will be there. And so this Vasanta season stands highly substantiated. Here the word is Amun. Amun means these relative folks. Amun refers to the people living in villages. Villagers want this season to come because their mango grove will be full of mango. So they will have big work. That's why mango groves will be there. Amun, the native relative folks. Anyan Amun means others. Brahminsu, Kshatriyasu, Vaishyasu, and Raitugalige idu Habba. Vasanta Kala bandre Raitugalige Habba. Bereavariga Habba. Yakendre they nourish a lot with the available fruits, available produce coming from the earth. Therefore, they will be pratidrusyate, where in which season all these good things are there seen in this season. Pratidrusyate means being seen. In this season, yatra, in this season, all good things are there. What are the good things that will nourish us very much? Nourishing food is more produced during the Vasanta season. Parirachataha, parirachana means nourishing, nutrition. There will be good nutrition and nourishment products which are available on this day. That's why parirachataha. And Anyan Amun means those other than the village folk, the farmers and all them. And that means people, Martyaha, all people will be there. And therefore, etat apranusyate means people start talking that they are having happiness during this season. There will be a lot of social gatherings, religious meet, etc., etc. All will happen because there are no rains at that time also. So only in rainy season, this holiday. Next we will get to that. So many, this particular Amul means the village folk, the relative people, and Anyan means the other people, and Amu Parirakshataha means they are being protected, they are being pushed up, or pushti they are being given. And this kind of talk, Vachaha is talk, is being any and everywhere. All people talk favorably upon the Vasanta season. And again, it will be one of the best seasons in a year.
Yes, sir.
Why we talk seasons here? Because it's all because of the blessings of Surya Bhagavan.
Yes. Okay.
And we have also got the genesis of the season because the 6 rays, hundreds of rays are there because sun's rays are highly scientific or highly knowledgeable. Every ray is a Veda, Vedic knowledge. Therefore, through sun's rays, we get lot of information. Without solar energy, all energies are Duma, no power. So,
Yes.
so you look for, you are all having solar meters, solar geysers.
Yes.
So every house these days, you have a solar geyser top. Your top will be solar geyser. Down you will be living. So you get plenty of hot water. In Western countries, it is like that. So they spare a lot of land for solar power saving or consuming. But in India, don't want every day sun is there. You don't want sun. So sun is not respected in India so much as here. 1 week we don't have. Here there is no sun at all for 1 week, supposing. So all cloudy, barfu, barsatu, and badal, barfu, barsat.
Okay. Yes.
Badal, clouds, barfu, snow, barsat, rain. These are the 3 prominent things Western countries. But in India, all these 3 are well balanced.
Yes.
Therefore, it is great to be born as Indian, live in India and get out. But all engineering students, they do TOEFL and GRE and fly off, leaving their old parents in the house.
Yes, sir.
I know. And at this crisis, nobody is able to go.
Yes, yes.
I know so many people are stuck here because, and if at all they ventured to go, they got this COVID. One lady, her father died. She took the trip last Sunday, and after 2-3 days, she got the COVID, and so she's now in an isolated room. I mean, there are some problems like that. No, but our India is best. Anyway, so Surya Bhagavan, where he is rampant, then the seasons also will be behaving, giving us the seasonal influences. Pakka. So we stop here. Om Swasti.
Om Swasti.
Sahana Vavatu.
Sahana Vavatu. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Sahaviryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.
Shri Krishnarpanamastu.
Shri Krishnarpanamastu.
Shri Veda Purusha Sirvadostu.
Shri Veda Purusha Sirvado Ashudostu.
Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Sat. Thank you, sir.
So, but the Arna Prashna is a science text. It's a Prakarana Grantha. Even I do, though I spent 4 years to write a book on this,